Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will show you how to activate Bank of America credit card online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know exactly how to do it. Now, open up any web browser on your PC. Now, search for bankofamerica.com. And once you search for it, you will directly taken to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see this login box at the left hand side of your screen. Now firstly, you have to get logged into your Bank of America in order to activate your Bank of America credit card. Now type in your username and password correctly. Now, if you want to make the system remember your username so that you won't have to manually type in your user ID in your next visit, tick this square box. But if you're using public or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. And then tap on login button to get logged into your Bank of America account. And once you get logged into your Bank of America account, tap on Activate My Card tab and then Activate My Card link. And once you tap on it, you will taken to the next page where you have to provide your card information as well as your personal information. And once you and your card get verified, you have to follow on-screen prompts till the end and then you will be able to activate your Bank of America credit card. Now, that's all it takes to activate your Bank of America credit card online. If this video helped you out, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.